This is the funniest and most realistic animation I've ever seen. A cat and a lion are just chilling in the grass, having a great time. And the cat's like, hey, let's go play dead. And the lion's like, okay, I'm going to be a little piggy. This is so cute. They're just rolling around in the grass being all happy. In the meantime, the slime is over here doing business with some squirrels. He's like, yeah, I got the fudge in my hand, baby. I'm about to blow your mind. The squirrels are like, oh my God, this guy's so dreamy. And then they start to, do the thing. And then the cat's like, hey, you see that? And the lion's like, yeah, I see that. And they both just stare at the slime doing his thing with these two squirrels. And it's just like one of those moments where you're like, I didn't realize how much I needed this in my life.